Hi dear folks, today we are going to learn about the inventory models. So let's discuss about what is model. Model, a simplified description of a process to assist predictions. So inventory models, there are different inventory models for different kind of demand. So first we have the independent demand, and the second we have the dependent demand. Independent demand is the demand which is the demand of a product, like this marker is a product. So the number of markers required is the independent demand. And when we talk about the dependent demand, it is the demand which is dependent on the count of the independent product, like marker cap over here, nib, and its body. So all the caps, nibs will be the dependent demand. So let me reiterate, independent demand is the demand of a product. That can be the vehicle, that can be the pen, that can be the fridge, that can be the mobile, okay? And the dependent demand is the demand of a parts, components, and the other components which are required for any product. Okay, let's talk about the cost related to the inventory. There are different kind of cost related to the inventory, which is very important to learn. The first type of cost is the holding cost. Holding cost is the cost to keep or carry inventory in stock. The cost to keep or carry inventory in stock. So it includes the housing cost, means the building rent, depreciation of a building, operating cost of a facility, warehouse facility, taxes you are paying, insurance you have taken. It also includes the material handling cost, equipment, lease, depreciation, power. It also includes the labor cost. Receiving, warehousing, security, and it also includes the investment cost. What does that mean? It means borrowing cost, taxes, insurance on inventory, etc. And it also includes the pilferage, scrap, and obsolescence cost. Since you have to hold the inventory for some time, so it includes. So overall carrying cost is one of the major expense. What is the importance? Let's talk about the importance of cost. Why are we discussing the types of cost? Because if you really want to reduce your operational cost, specifically in the inventory, so you need to understand the different kind of cost in detail, because devil lies in the detail. So the holding cost has the major weightage in the total cost. So that is why we discuss the holding cost in detail, that it includes the housing cost, material handling cost, labor cost, investment cost, pilferage cost, scrap and obsolescence cost. So it needs to be taken care of. The next is the ordering cost. So ordering cost is the cost which is incurs with whenever you give the order to your vendor or supplier. So you require the product, but it incurs a cost, like the expenses of your letterhead, okay, ink, cartridge, the people who are involved, or any software application you are using. So next we discuss about the setup cost. So setup cost, the cost to prepare machine or process for production. So whenever you want to produce anything, so you need to get the machine ready. Nowadays it is usually a witness that it is computerized, but still you require a good amount of time to get the machine ready, and it also requires the labor cost as well when you want to make the machine ready. The next is the setup time. Setup time, it is not the cost directly, but it increases your setup cost, because as much time you are taking to prepare a machine, it increases the cost, because you see it is the opportunity cost as well, because you are paying to the labor. If labor hours are being used, if the machine is idle, so basically it is incurring the setup cost. So let's move ahead.